every decision till today, whatever was taken in GST Council, it was on consensus. पूण एकेपे एज पर GST Act कितें आसा, जे स्टेट रेवेन्यू जो ग्रो जावपा जाय, every year it was calculated that there will be a growth of 14%. Okay? When GST was introduced, most of the states and all the states had to sacrifice certain revenue, because to make it one tax in entire country, one nation one tax, that is the concept. जेन्ना हे one nation one tax केले, आमकां जायते टॅक्सीस, इनडायरेक्ट टॅक्सीस जे गुड्सांचेर आमी चार्ज करता, गुड्स एंड सर्विसीस आमकां कमी प्रमाणात येवपाक लागले. तेन्ना सेंटरान आमकां एक एश्युरन्स दिली की जे उणें पडटले पयशे, तुमकां स्टेटी उणें जातले, तुमचे ग्रोथ एट 14% जायनासतना तरी पयशे उणें जाले जाल्यार सेंटर वील कॉम्पन्सेट थ्रू अ फंड कॉल्ड द कॉम्पन्सेशन सेस. हे सेस आमी इंट्रोड्यूस केल्ले ऑन लग्जरी गुड्स लायक लग्जरी कार्स, लग्जरी आयटम्स, on sin goods like tobacco, cigarette, BD products, pan masala, all those type of things, a cess was introduced. And a lot of money used to be accrued with the center, whether it was to the tune of 50,000 crores, 70,000 crores every month, and that used to be devolved to the state. So, state in what do you know? Shortfall आता पॅन्डेमिक जाला तेन्ना लॉकडावन जाले. लॉकडावन म्हळ्यार नो इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटी, सो टॅक्स खंयचे येतले, पयशे खंयचे येतले. पॅन्डेमिक जाले म्हळ्यार नो रनिंग ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री, सो टॅक्सीस सरकारा कडेन कमी जाले. ऑटोमॅटिकली कॉम्पन्सेशन सेसूय कमी जाले. आनी स्टेटीचे म्हणणे कितें, थोड्या स्टेटीचे म्हणणे, चड करून आमचे ऑपोजिशन विरोधक आहात तेंचे, वी आर नॉट बॉदर्ड वेदर देर इज पॅन्डेमिक ऑर नॉट. We are not bothered due to the system there are some failings or some shortcoming. It is a constitutional amendment. As per constitution you are supposed to give the money. आता म्हाका एक तुमी सांगा, माझे खिशान तरी पयशेच ना, हांव तुमकां खंयचे दितलो. सेंटराचे खिशान तरी पयशे ना. पॅन्डेमिक तेंकाय एफेक्ट जाले, अशें न्हू की स्टेटीन आमकां एफेक्ट जाले, सगळे स्टेटीन सेंटरा एफेक्ट जावना. And center also effect जाले. So definitely there was no money with the center. So what center said, center did not back out. They said, we will create a special window through the RBI. We will borrow the money to the they made a division due to the system shortcomings in the system of GST. जे shortage झाला, त्यांनी एक फॉर्म्युला केले. They showed us first a growth of 10%. State object करता म्हणून 7% केले. So first they calculated it was coming to 97,000 crores every month due to system failure. Then with the new formula of 7% from 10% lower केलं त्यांना 1,01,000 crore. all amount सगळे स्टेटी डिवॉल्व करपाक त्यांनी डिसिजन घेयले. आणि बाकीचे जे अमाउंट इट इज 2 lakh crore 2,37,000 म्हणजे 2,37,000 crores. This happened because of the pandemic. So what they gave us option A, either we will borrow the full amount, or either the states will borrow the full amount, or only they will borrow that particular amount according to their needs, which was related to the system. आम्ही ऑप्शन ए घेतले, गोवान ऑप्शन ए घेतले. म्हणजे 1,01,000 crore जे शॉर्टेज आसले थ्रू स्पेशल विंडो वी विल बी अलाउड टू बोरो. एंड हाउ इट इज टू बी रिपेड, इट इज टू बी रिपेड आउट ऑफ कॉम्पन्सेशन सेस which was allowed to be continued beyond 2022. When 2017 1st July midnight जेन्ना आमी इंट्रोड्यूस केले GST, तेन्ना एक एश्युरन्स दिल्ले एज पर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट. एश्युरन्स दिल्ले जे शॉर्टफॉल हा सेंटर दितले एंड कॉम्पन्सेशन सेस विल बी लेवीड फॉर नेक्स्ट 5 years. आता बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड which is force majeure, which nobody knew there is going to be COVID, तेका लागून हे एक्सटेंड केला till the amount which is borrowed in excess of the normal borrowing till that is recovered, the compensation cess will continue. It may be for another 2 years, it may be for another 4 years, or maybe only 5 years. Till that is collected, cess will be continued to be levied, and that cess amount will be used to pay the loan as well as the interest.
So,
Out of this additional amount. So the normal borrowing what Goa government has done or other state governments have done or center has done, that is not going to be impacted at all. This is the main idea behind that. So till there is no money, money will come through extension of the compensation cess beyond 5 years. So this also all states have agreed.
agreed.
But now the only contentious point between the states and the center, there is only one contentious point. They are saying no, we states will not borrow. You center borrow what the entire amount what shortfall is there. You borrow from the market or with RBI permission, and then you give it to the state. Our Goa government stand is we accept what center is saying for the simple reason. You must realize the sovereign standing of India as a country. There are various rating agencies which rate our sovereignty in financial terms, whether Tim and Moody or various other international agencies, World Bank, IMF. They should not degrade us beyond a certain limit, which will affect our standing in the world as an economy. And we are a fast growing economy. And if you look at the figures in the last quarter now, very clearly it is visible that we are on the trajectory of growth. We have almost reached the pre-COVID period. That means money will continue coming to our exchequer at the central level, as well as in Goa. It is picking up very slowly. Goa till mining fully starts, we will still continue to suffer. Tourists have just started to come, and yet it is not an ideal situation because we are afraid if when they come, they may come with as COVID cases. So it is a catch-22 situation. If they come, they may give you revenue in terms of hotel, but they will be patient. And if they don't come, what will the hotels do? What will your tourism infrastructure do? What will your taxis do?
Is that
so
a
it has been a very careful opening of the economy, taking all these points into consideration.
Is that a worry that the tourists may come with COVID?
See, as you know, if you look at the latest figures now, because you have asked this question, I am telling you, जे प्रमाणात व्हायरसाचे स्ट्रेंथ आशिल्ले ते सकल येवपाक लागला. Even national figures are coming down. So let us only pray, even I pray, that they will go further down and Goa's situation will be even better. But it is, the virus is weakening. So it is a good sign in a way that once the virus weakens, it is better for the country and our state as well.
What could be the level of states borrowing then, sir? In this, when you say borrowing level?
See, I will not give you an actual terms, even if I know, because I am not the finance minister.
Okay.
You ask the chief minister, who is the finance minister?
Okay, as far as panchayat issue is concerned, now there has been issue on this Molle. Gram Sabha nastana eka NOC kitak dili. Gram Sabha apoina kitak. There have been criticism of the panchayat minister saying that tinche panchayat gram Sabha ka issue galpak da पण NOC दिता हो कितें. Why Gram Sabha is not being called? 4 तारखेर आशिल्ली ती देखून कॅन्सल सडनली केली. What is your say on that?
They have not made a grievance before me. When they make a grievance before me, I will act.
No,
They are only talking at their level. They are talking to the press, and it's only happening locally. Let
But
come to me and take a call on that.
Are Gram Sabha stopped in this pandemic, or they can be held? Because some of the panchayats say that department and band what it is exactly. People should also know.
See, as far as Gram Sabhas are concerned, any meeting where there are going to be more than 50 people, we had restricted it.
So पण 200 लोक आहेत आमचं.
ना सांगतात आहे. आता लोक हुंचे नियम पाळणं आणि हुंय बेश्टे हुंय गेल्यार सुद्धा 200 लोक असतात. That is a different thing. Officially, we have allowed only up till 50 people. So we will take a call on that.
So at this moment, but if specially needed for Gram Sabhas,
as I said, COVID मातशे कमी प्रमाणात व्हायरस वीक जावपाक लागला अशें दिसता. So if the trend continues, then definitely as I said, we are slowly opening up. We will be open to the idea of allowing the Gram Sabhas also.
Sir, but by that time, sir, by that time,
जे crowd is जमता ती more than 50
हा.
भरपूर लोक जमतात.
त्यात आहे तुका पयलीं सांगता न्हू रे, आता लोकूच तरी नियम उंचे पाळणार आमी
sir,
कितें
but
करतले?
what happens to those permissions?
Can you police every part of the functioning of a person? You cannot.
Sir, but what happens to those permissions given by Panchayatil Gram Sabhas not allowed? त्या मिसर पन्नास न्हू दीत रावले ते. So मग लोकांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेयना तेजी परमिशनाची. As a minister, what do you have to say about this? So that can be given then?
If you bring any specific case where there has been an irregularity or illegality committed using the pandemic, we'll take action.
Okay. Last, what happens to your this new rules, vehicle rules now? Vehicle rules implementation. It is how long?
See, because of COVID, the new Motor Vehicles Act and the new fines, I have deliberately kept it in abeyance.
Correct.
And I have also taken my Honorable Union Minister in confidence, and I told him Goa is a very different place. It is not like our bigger states where you just implement. People will immediately feel the pinch. As it is, due to non-revenue, means no revenue being generated, we are already enough sufferers. So don't make us suffer more. Even if people break the rules, we don't have the heart as a government to tax them further, burden them further with higher fines. So we will try to implement it if things improve from 1st of January 2021.
Sir, any report you have asked from Melauli Panchayat as far as the Melauli IIT project issue is concerned? Because Panchayat issue has been the main there.
See, I can only say one thing. It is not a Panchayat issue. It is the concerned MLA from there is also a minister. Let him